Does your website have high domain authority? Do you want your domain authority to be higher? Or do you even know what domain authority is? Hi, I'm John Lincoln with Ignite Visibility, and today I'm going to talk to you about domain authority, how to improve it, and really just the whole context of what it is and why it's important this year. Okay, so first, what is domain authority? Well, domain authority is a scale created by Moz from 1 to 100, with 1 or 0 being the lowest and then 100 being the best. That basically tells you the authority of a domain. So why is domain authority important? Well, domain authority is a metric that we have access to through Moz because Moz created it. Google used to give us scores for PageRank, and PageRank was how they evaluated a web page online. And the higher the page rank from 0 to 10, the higher quality that page was online and the higher propensity that it had to rank. Now with PageRank being gone, it still exists, but it's gone as far as they don't report on it anymore. We don't have anything else to look at other than Moz's domain authority and then other authority metrics from other types of ranking softwares out there online. Okay, so Moz is just a little bit cryptic when they come to how do they actually calculate domain authority. So the three factors are the link profile, the Moz rank, and the Moz trust. So the link profile is how many great links are pointing at it. The Moz rank is very similar to PageRank, which Google used to have in the past. And then the Moz trust is how much does Moz actually trust this page. And those are the three factors that basically create domain authority. So what is a good domain authority score? Now I'm going to go through that by industry. If you're in the media and publishing space, the average domain authority is about 86. If you're in higher education, it's about 78. If you're in sports and entertainment, it's 75. If you're in accommodation and food services, it's 71. If you're in software and applications, it's 67. If you're in healthcare, it's 67. If you're in business services, it's also 67. In retail, it's 64. In consumer goods, it's 64. In construction products, it's 63. In real estate, it's 61. In finance and insurance, it's 60. And in wellness, it's 58. So how do you find your domain authority? Well, there's two really easy ways to do it. One is to go to Moz's link authority, and then the other one is to use the Moz bar, which is an extension that you can add to a browser that's going to allow you to see that metric very quickly, whatever web page you're on. So how do you improve your domain authority? Well, item one, make better content and better optimize your content. That's always going to be helpful and something that's going to improve your SEO. Item number two, audit your backlinks. Do you have a lot of poor quality links pointing at your website that you should get taken down? That would be a really good way to work on increasing your domain. And then item number three is build more high quality links. That's probably going to be the biggest factor when it comes to increasing your domain authority. If you've got higher and higher domain authority and higher page authority, then you've probably got higher page rank and you've probably got a higher authority in Google. There's definitely some correlation there, although it's not 100% apples to apples because Moz evaluates it a little bit differently than Google does, and it could be quite differently for all we know nowadays. But it is a good metric and it does look at some of the most important signals in Google. And if you can get a really high domain authority, then when you publish a new article or when you update a new page with optimization, you're going to rank a lot easier. So with clients and prospects, we're often looking at what is their domain authority, what is their page authority, and how great are their backlinks and how great are their content. And then we look at that in comparison to competitors. That's going to give you a great idea of what the opportunity is for search engine optimization in your space. So that's it for domain authority today. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and make sure to leave a comment. And I can't wait to see you next time for the next Ignite Visibility University.